one-stop modern fintech solution, providing unique financial technology solutions to bridge the gap in the real estate market. BlueDuck, a Malaysian-born fintech company, built three key pillars: fintech, digital payment solution, and tenancy software to empower businesses and elevate the experience of stakeholders in real estate. Unique fintech, specially curated zero deposit program, designed to replace traditional cash deposit for residential and commercial tenants to unlock cash flow. Digital payment solution accelerates your business through API-driven payment gateway. Tenancy software, the leading tenancy management software that automates, digitizes, and streamlines complex tenancy operation processes. Quacking since 2018 in every corner of the Malaysian peninsula, BlueDuck grew through an intense national lockdown, joining hand in hand with various big names in the industry by leveraging collaborations with property stakeholders to bridge the gap in the real estate market. We are on our way to revolutionize the Malaysian real estate market with our groundbreaking technology solution. Join hands with BlueDuck to build a progressive Malaysia. Fintech in real estate.